Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video, I want to talk about why the S&P 500, why the Dow Jones, why the QQQ, why were these indexes going up so crazily today? All right, let's talk about it. So, with that being said, I have a chart up of the SPY on a 15-minute chart. So that means each candlestick that you see represents what the stock price did in 15 minutes. So let's take a look at what happened today. Starting from this candle right here that my mouse is on, moving forward, these candles recorded the performance of the S&P 500. Now, we see that for the most part, it was bullish, right? But it seemed as though it took some time. We see here that at 9:30, there wasn't that sense of bullishness. It was actually bearish for a little bit. And it didn't end up completely reversing until about 2 o'clock, right? Now, why is that? Why was the market so dull? Why was the market so dry until 2 p.m.? Now, this is important because it's because of what was on the economic calendar. All right, this is important. You have to understand what this is, because if you don't, you can end up being caught in trades and seeing the S&P 500 go up crazily or down crazily, and that'll have an effect on your stock that you're trading, and you'll be like, what the heck is going on, right? And it's because of what is on the economic calendar. All right, I am on a website called Forex Factory, and despite its name being Forex Factory, it's actually a website that gives you data on all the different events and press conferences that are scheduled for the United States, right? And also for other different countries as well. All right, we take a look. This is what the schedule was for December the 15th, right? We see all these different things. And then when you see this USD, this is in reference to the United States. So they're telling you all the events that we have for today. So we had retail sales. We had a retail sales report, which can have a significant impact on the stock market. But the main thing that was causing a lot of concern, the main thing that caused all that volatility was because of this right here, the FOMC press conference and the FOMC in general, right? Now, the FOMC, just think of them as the economic feds, all right? So they're the economic feds, and they just have to give reports, they have to give statements talking about the condition of the economy, right? Because the economic feds have control of different policies and interest rates of the United States, all right? So that's why a lot of investors are concerned about what the FOMC has to say. So we take a look at the time. It says 2 p.m., as early as 2 p.m. Now, if we take a look back at this chart of the S&P, look, this large candle happened at exactly 2 p.m. It says 14 o'clock, but that's actually 2 p.m., right? So this is the reason why there was a lot of buying going in to these different indices that caused it to go up so drastically in such a short amount of time. All right, it's because investors are paying attention to what the economic feds had to say. But with that being said, this is the reason why these indexes, why the stock market in general was so bullish towards the end of the day. All right, peace.